Matt3756. I'm Matt Magnone, and my entire life I've been obsessed with a claw machine. After buying my own and studying it from the inside out, I now go and try to win as much crap as I can.
What is up, my goobers? I don't know how well you can hear me, but I am here with James of
Fun Foods YT.
Fun Foods YT. I'll put it up on the screen, don't worry. James is an awesome guy. He does like awesome food videos on YouTube, so check him out. He's got like 70K. We are here at the K1 Speedway, but we're not here to race. We are here for the claw machines. And they, yeah, I'm gonna do. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? This guy watches me. These guys watch me, I think. I'm by this van. It's hot as crap in here. So, yeah, we played that one. We're gonna go down, walk down here. They got some arcade games there. We're gonna play this one behind me as well. So, see if we can win anything. Let's go. See, now this one's puzzling me, guys, because it looks like an older machine, but they got higher end stuff just very loosely packed in here. Backing up the tokens here, folks. Here's a look at this free token. Oh. Always check them coin returns, man. Nope. I can tell it deviated. That's the max. Oh! I think it deviated. Ah, yeah. It deviated. It deviated. I'm gonna try for the fidget cube. Nice time on this, about 30 seconds, so that's good. I think we're good right there for the fidget cube. Come on, fidget cube. Look at it! Oh! That was so close. Oh, come on, baby! What was that? Oh my god! Oh my god! How can you tease me like that, dude? Come on, baby! Come on, swing it in for daddy! You got it! Yo, I missed that. These guys are good luck.
We got it, bro. Oh my god. What did you get?
You got a fidget cube?
Oh.
I hope it's a neat color. One that I don't have would be nice. Let's see. Oh, white.
Whoa.
I don't have white. I have red. It's actually a good one, too. Yeah, I like that. Nice.
Do you want to trade?
Yeah. Serious?
Yeah.
Dude, this is a nice spinner.
Yeah.
Hold on. Test this. Dude, seriously, trade this?
Yeah.
Why?
I got it for free. Yeah, for my sponsor.
Alright, we just traded. Look at that. I got a thing, and he got a prize that I won. Very nice. Like a total moron. Oh, it would have paid out too.
Do you think if you try one more time on that one?
I think it's dead soon. I'm gonna try it, but this is risky. Okay, I swung it at the wrong time, so I gotta go. Okay, so no. Okay, so I dropped it I gotta drop it when it's back. Worked it away with the swing technique. I think we got it. Come on, there it is. There it is. Oh, what? We're getting closer to the prize. All right, come on. Good spin. Good
we got this time? What color?
It's white again. Look at that. Nice. It's good quality one too. That is pretty beast. Sick.
Checking the angles. Here goes nothing. Let's see. Little back.
The tough thing about those is they're flat. One more time for a fidget spinner, and I want to go back to that. Hey, what's up, guys?
You want to be in the video? No, that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We don't have to. Just watch
Just
you.
flush time wins.
We're trying to watch him to learn how he does it. I was like, where's Matt at? I'm looking at him this whole time where you're at.
Look for a claw machine.
Yeah, we tried that one over there. No luck.
Yeah, that one's great.
Yeah, it's
it's not a big skill, but it's just the stuff that's in it.
Yeah.
Well, I got 2 fidget cubes.
Oh, already?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
But everything else seems just too hard. I'm gonna try one more time for a fidget spinner right here. Guys, we won some fidget spinners, or fidget cubes, and had an awesome time.
Subscribe and click that bell icon to become a fellow goober. And check out some of my other videos right here.